the only ones we need to speak. Good vibes in the corner here with Karanique. Good vibes in the corner here with Karanique.
Hey, what's up? It's your girl Karanique. Welcome back to my channel, Karanique's Corner. Oh, real quick, future Nique, welcome to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, thank you and welcome to the family. Hey. Okay, and I'm not promoting this video anywhere, so the views that it gets is what it gets. So no one knows about it. I'm just uploading it because I want to post every Monday, and I have this one ready. It just didn't come out the way that I wanted it to come out, so we'll just roll with it. Today I'm going to be doing another requested video, which is the clean with me video. Work Saturday night into Sunday morning, then I will most likely film on Sunday and then edit Sunday night to post on Mondays. So my weekend is usually backed up like that, so I figured this is the best time to show you when the house gets the most out of order, because then Monday is the day that I will post in the morning, and then or mid-afternoon, and then I will just get my day started with getting everything clean again to start like the new week. So I figured, why not start today and show you guys what it's like. So I'm gonna do some dishes, soaps in this pump, and I'll use a sponge, and then I'll show you around everything else. Probably end up doing the voiceover showing you each little thing that I end up doing. And yeah. Comment down below what your favorite dish soap is. I've noticed that dishes really don't bother me, especially if the soap smells like super good. So I'm gonna be doing the two rooms that everyone sees when they come in. So staircase that leads up to the living room, and the kitchen. Staircase also leads up to the kitchen. So yeah. I've never actually done my dishes in a row before, so clearly it's not the best idea because my sinks are getting wet. Another thing that I usually do, which I don't know why I haven't, is I make a soap bowl. So let me watch this. This is my soap bowl. It's hearts. And pump some soap in there. And then I put this one on this one so it can actually break the soap up. And then, yeah, that's what I do with that. I know I said welcome to my new subscribers already, but if you haven't subscribed already, feel free to hit the subscribe button, and welcome to the family as well. And comment down below if you know a better way to do a cleaning video. I'm not really sure if I did this correctly for everybody, but it was requested and I wanted to get it done. Sometimes like towards the end I need more soap because I'm like a really soapy person. Like I want to see suds when I'm cleaning. And I'm actually really picky on dishes. Like I like my dishes to be done right. So like I just hope that the person washing is like as crazy about cleaning utensils as I am. I'd be super checking. Alright, so I'm just rinsing the sink out now, and then I'll scrub it down with like soap and water to make sure it's done. I know a lot of people like to use like Clorox and stuff in their sink. I like to use Fabuloso just because I really like the smell.
It's snowing?
So one moment, let me rinse it first, like all the food and all the extra stuff that's in there. And then rinse the sponges real quick, and then I'll get that stuff, I'll get it scrubbed down. Fabuloso. I am big on Fabuloso when it comes to cleaning. Make it smell so good.
Like my
I don't mind leaving the soap bowl up on the counter. I really don't. because I think it looks cute, just because it's like a cute glass heart bowl. But if it were like anything, another type of bowl, I would keep it in the sink. I kind of got in the habit of putting in my sink because that's what like my sister-in-law would do when she was over here, and then it just kind of stuck with me because I always saw it in the sink after that. But so when I'm done cleaning and everything, I'll like put it in the sink. Hey, you guys, get out of the window. Now, all right, so these get hung up over. These need to be washed, and they have been through some things, but whatever. They get hung up over here. I will put these here. So let's get to the counter, get this all cleaned up. Make sure your sponge is clean, and then let's get these counters wiped down. Okay, so on a regular day, if I'm just like throughout the week, I'll just wipe with a clean soapy sponge. But since I am like trying to do a deeper clean today, I will also take Clorox wipes, and I will go down these things as well, just so it's just an extra little clean and good feeling. And they're scented, so they just smell good. Let's do this. Oh, we need another one. When you realize you still had dishes behind you on the stove. I guess I'm just not noticing a lot of things over here, especially that sticker that I'm taking forever to notice. I promise I notice it eventually. Okay, so usually with the stove, I do a soapy sponge as well. And I just like get everything off. So I've always liked these kind of stoves for the look, like the flat tops, electric stoves. But after a few uses, they start to look like this, like burnt out, and I don't know why, but I don't like that. But other than that, I like these for cleaning purposes as well. They're easier to clean. So then I would just get like a paper towel and just dry it down. Now I just move over to the counter that's next to the stove and get that all cleaned up underneath the rice cooker and the toaster, and then the cereal containers, which I'll refill later on today. So back here, I need to get that cleaned up. I don't even know what happened there. I just remember getting super happy at this point because now I just have this little counter space to dump the trash and then to do the kitchen table before I can start sweeping and mopping, and then I'll be like done. And you guys, this video was like originally an hour long and I got it cut down to like 17 minutes, which is such a big thing, but it's still such a long video. So if you've even made it this far, congratulations, like seriously. As you can see, I transfer things to other tables until it's like the last option and I have to put it away in the right spot. That's like, it went from there to here, and I have to put it away because it's the last surface that I'm gonna be cleaning in the kitchen, so I can't put it on anything else. When it comes to sweeping, I literally sweep everything in a pile. Then I'll pick out everything that's not supposed to be thrown away that has toys in it. So I put it in under the counter with all the toys. And then I'll pick out like the big pieces of trash to throw away in the trash by itself. And just anything that's not supposed to be thrown away, I'll keep in another pile. So I'll put them away later. So yeah. And of course, here I am again with my Fabuloso, so I'll pour a little in there and then I will just fill it up with water for a mixture. And that's why when you see the bucket, it has like a dark purple color in the blue. It's not dirty water, it's just purple water. This part is freaking upside down, so enjoy, but it goes back to normal, guys. Be patient. And then you guys, we're getting close to the end, so let me just tie up this garbage bag and then we should be good to go, and I will show you what it looks like after.